I went bashing with the Tekno off camera, and typically it broke off camera. I ran into a rock, and I've broken the front A block, which is the lower suspension pin holder. I also have broken the wing. It's pulled through here, as you can see there, and it is cracked on the corner, and it's pulled through back there as well. So what I'm going to do is, I've already ordered 2 wings, so I've got a spare. I'm just going to screw this one back on for now. If I take the body off, because that's the minor damage. So here's the damage to the front A block, if you can see that there. Yep, it's in 2 pieces. Hopefully the hinge pin is still straight, but that is not supposed to do that, basically. There we go, taking it off completely. These are plastic on the SCT410, unfortunately. So that is a little bit of a shame. That has snapped, so this has got quite expensive. I've bought the A and B block for the front and rear in 7075 aluminium. I've also bought the pills to go in them, because obviously the plastic ones are just plastic, they don't have pills. And I've also bought at the same time, while I was paying the postage, I might as well, got these air control guards, or basically these go on the side of the chassis here and prevent it parachuting, so I got those as well. I've got the front end off so we can have a better look at the damage. So you can see the plastic there snapped right where the screw is. Hopefully this won't happen with the metal one. Where's the other half? It's just over there. So yeah, you can see where that snapped. Now what happened is this area here hit a rock, which was too low to hit the bumper or the body, but too high for it not to be able to clear it. So that's a bit of an awkward one. It doesn't happen very often with a short course truck, but that is why this here is snapped. So hopefully the aluminium ones will fix that permanently. So there's the new aluminium one versus the old plastic one. Plastic one does seem quite a bit thicker, so I'm going to weigh them and see how much they weigh. I assume the aluminium one's the same weight. Here we go, got both the A and the B block on now. Look very nice in that sort of Tekno dark blue colour. So hopefully it'll be a bit more durable to front end crashes. I've left the rear ones as plastic for now, because these are like 25 quid each, so I didn't really want to spend £100 to do all of them, so I just did the front for 50 instead, because I think the front takes the most of impacts like this anyway, and you're unlikely on a short course truck to land on the edge of a tyre at the rear end, because you've got such a big bumper at the rear. So that's why I went with the front ones only, and I think these should be durable enough now. Got the side guards on now, well, not the side guards, but the anti-parachuting guard things, and I actually didn't realise this before, but this U-shaped piece on here and this U-shaped piece on this side aren't actually the same size. I had them the wrong way around, so I was wondering why these Lexan pieces were completely different widths and different shapes, and they weren't really fitting very well, and that's because these loops were the wrong way around, so I just thought they were the same out of the box, so I just put that one on this side and that one on the other side. But anyway, it's the correct way around now, and hopefully these will stop as much air getting underneath and it parachuting as badly, although it's still not airtight. You can see there's a little gap between there, but I mean it should help a little bit, hopefully. We'll see. I don't know how long they're going to last. They do seem to be quite a way away from the tyres, so hopefully the tyres ballooning won't catch on them. But they are going to get rocks thrown up at them, so we'll see if I stick with these and get more sets later on if these break, or whether I just ditch them completely or maybe make my own out of something else.